Okay, we're ready for the last few vocab words on our Part 2, Unit 2, School and Activities. The topic is activities. First, let's review a few words. Sleep, home, and do. Remember, that sign means what are you doing or why did you do that? Okay, and it's used with appropriate WH facial expressions. In class, we also reviewed movies and to study. Okay, let's get started. First one, church. Next one, temple. Next one, enjoy, have fun, or you really like something. The next one, hungry. Next one, party. The next one, play.
Caitlin Curtin to the
The next
front
one,
office, please.
sports.
Caitlin Curtin to the front office, please.
The next one, to kick back or to relax. You can also use this for take it easy. And the last one, restaurant. Restaurant. It should remind you of an earlier sign we learned, cafeteria, but we're using ours with this one. So we've got church, temple, enjoy, have fun, hungry, party, play, sports, kick back, relax, and restaurant.